Hi, I'm Rawan. Have you ever wondered what it'd be like if frozen is real? What if, like Elsa, I could use my special powers to wave my hands and instantly turn water into ice on my beautiful ice sculptures? What if I told you that I could? Okay, take a look at this. No more water. Oh my gosh! Oh my goodness! Do you guys see that? That has just completely turned solid ice. Yes, okay, if once again, you check out the one I did last night, which I put on my camera phone. Magic powers! What? Yay! Okay, so maybe I don't have special powers, but really it's possible to instantly turn water into ice. It's called super cooling. And for to have a good home, all you need to do is put a bottle of pure water in your freezer for around 2.5 to 3 hours, and then take it out, give it a bash, and you'll have instant ice. But how does it work? Well, from a really young age, we're told that liquid water will freeze and turn to solid ice at 0 degrees Celsius or 32 degrees Fahrenheit. But that's not always true. Water is made up of lots and lots of molecules, and as a liquid, those molecules are able to tumble all over each other and move around freely. It's why we can see pure water, it flows. However, for water to turn to ice, those molecules have to line themselves up and get to a special pattern. And when that happens, the molecules can't move around the floor anymore, and instead they're locked in place. And that's when liquid water becomes a solid ice. Seeing as it's actually really difficult with water molecules to line up in the right way to start making ice crystal, it takes a lot of energy. Now the colder it is, the easier the molecules find it. However, they need a starting point, the first building block of that ice crystal. If they have a starting point, then give them somewhere to actually start building that pattern from. Think like playing with Lego. If you have a whole lot of Lego pieces and yet you have to make a boat, but you don't know where to start or have no instructions to follow, that's quite difficult, but you have a starting point, then it gives you somewhere to build it from, and it's much easier. Tap water is full of little bits called impurities, but those bits are great for those water molecules to grab into and as to start arranging themselves strong. So that's why when you put tap water in a freezer, it will turn to ice all by itself, because the water molecules have a starting point from which to make an ice crystal. However, this is a bottle of pure water, which means it has no bits or impurities in it at all. So even when you put in the freezer and it gets really cold, much colder than 0 degrees, it still won't turn water into ice, because the water molecules don't have a starting point, and when water gets below 0 degrees and it still hasn't turned to ice, we say that's been super cool. Bye!